So I've been hearing a lot lately about how much of a challenge it is to do hard things. And of course, it's going to be a challenge, but the reality is that regardless of what your dream goals are, you're going to have to face hard things. You're going to have to face obstacles in order to get to those dream goals and where you want to be. So, with the idea of getting outside in particular, it's cold right now. It's February. It's still below zero for the most part. And it's not so pleasant to get outside. And I think it turns a lot of people away from getting outside and seeing what kind of joy there can be in the weather and in just the beauty of the snow, everything that's surrounding you in nature in the winter. Maybe we get it for too much of the year. That's true sometimes, but I think that we've got to embrace it a little bit more. Embrace those hard things, especially if we are seeking greater things, bigger goals with our lives. Can't always just take the easy road. So with that in mind, just want to encourage you, whatever your goals are, and just get started doing something that's a little bit challenging. I think when it comes to the cold, that's a good place to start for a lot of people because there is something uniquely challenging about it. A lot of people don't like the cold. So whether it's taking those cold showers or getting in the cold water or just getting outside, start as small as possible, whatever you need to do in order to make some progress and to at least get moving and on towards your goals. So if, for example, it's getting outside, you don't want to go outside though because it's cold, even just start with like 5 minutes. Something like that's going to make a difference, and work your way up over the course of several weeks to doing more time outside. In the case of the showers, you can definitely spend a little more time each day at the end of your shower with the cold water on as a way to get started. You don't have to immediately go into like an ice bath plunge fully submerged because that's way more challenging, but you can work up to it over the course of several weeks or several months. So just keep that in mind when you are trying to work towards bigger goals. Just building that momentum with small things, maybe if they're not even fully related to whatever your particular goal is, it's still going to help if you're working that mental toughness and that grit into your routine. So that's all I've got to say for today. I'm kind of short on time this week, so just wanted to give that quick blast, and hopefully it helps some of you who are working towards your goals get a little bit more of an idea of what you need to do next. So as always, thank you for watching the video. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And until next time, dream on and find your flow.